be showing you how to replace the fuel pump control module, or PEM, in this 2008 Volvo S40. Should apply from early to mid 2006 through about 2011, and also to the V50 and C70 models. In early 2006, they relocated them from up in the passenger side front wheel well to behind the rear seat, so we're going to get to learn how to take that out as well. Symptoms of a failing fuel pump control module are going to be, your car stutters, your car lacks power, and eventually it's just going to stop running completely, because with no fuel pump control module, you have no fuel pump. With no fuel pump, you have no fuel. So that's a bit of an issue. Before we get started, if you guys could please do me a favor and hit subscribe. YouTube took away my ability to monetize videos until I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I know that's not great for me or a lot of other smaller content creators. It didn't make me much, but it was beer money, and that was nice to have. And I upload a video about once every 3 months, and so it really shouldn't be too much of a hassle. I'm not going to be blowing up your phone. So please do that. I really appreciate it, and we'll go ahead and get started. All right, so first things first, we're going to go down here. Excuse all the mess. This isn't my car. Please don't judge. And see these little plastic clips right here? These are going to need to be pried up, and there's bolts underneath them that hold this rear seat in place. So if I'm correct, these should just pop out just like that. And as you can see, there's what looks like a 10mm bolt down there. Get this one. If I can get it, there it is. There's another one. We're going to do the same thing for the other other two, excuse me. All right, so 4 10mm bolts. Two. I can find the other ones. 3. And where'd it go? 4. All right, so we've got those 4 bolts out. We're going to come down here. We're going to grab the front of the seat. We're going to lift straight up, and it should pop right out. There's a clip that holds it in the back, so you just kind of got to play with it. It's really hard doing this with one hand. There we go. So that side comes out. I really don't even think you need to take that side out, but we're doing it, so whatever. We're going to come over here. Do the same thing on the other side. Lift up. Maybe come to the back. Oh. Really just got to play with it. And it is much easier with 2 hands. Come. Come on. There you go. Yeah, it's just held in by little spring clips back there. You can see those, so you got to pop those out. Down there, they fit into these holes right there. So you just got to make sure you give it a good tug, and it'll come right out. Next thing we got to do, I lost my pry bar, is this trim plate right here needs to come out. Basically, our fuel pump, our PEM is located underneath this carpet, so we got to be able to get that out. We're just going to come over here, stick a screwdriver or a pry tool or something in there, pop that up, lift it up. That comes right out. Do some gymnastics and get out the other side here. All right, so grab the carpet back here. Move the seat off so we're not trying to pull that up with it. Grab the carpet, pull it straight up, and that right there is your PEM. So unplug it. It's just held in there by on these little slides right there. So grab that, unplug it, and that's your PEM. And then installation is the reverse of removal. Normally I would show that, but there's really nothing complicated here. Nothing that could go wrong. So just put your new one of these back in, put the carpet down back over there, over everything. Let's see, put your sill plate back on, put your seats back in, reattach the 10mm bolts, put the little bolt covers back over those, and you are good to go. So I hope this was helpful. These fail pretty frequently, and so, if it helped out one person, that's good. If it did help you, please, again, hit subscribe. I'm seeing if I can fast track my way to 1,000. So, you know, everyone's appreciated. And I guess I'll see you guys next time.